A monocoque chassis. Carbon ceramic brakes. Titanium exhaust with ceramic coating. A 1,200 horsepower V12 engine. Sounds like a recipe for a new hypercar, right? But it is not like that. These are just some of the features available on the new Engler V12, a four-wheeled bike that looks more ready to compete with Bugatti than the Honda TRX250X ATV. Engler Automotive will reveal specific details about the engine within a year, but we know that in its least powerful setup it will produce 700 to 800 naturally aspirated horsepower, slightly less than the new Ferrari 12-cylindry. The top-of-the-line version of the upgraded V12 engine produces 1,200 horsepower and 885 pound-feet of torque, and the company claims it will meet the strictest emissions regulations, including California's. The Engler V12 features an in-house designed 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, built in collaboration with the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, Technical University in Košice, Slovakia. It weighs just 66 pounds, a fraction of its curb weight of 2,645 pounds. The Engler has 20-inch magnesium-forged wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, all of which are mounted to the chassis with titanium suspension parts and custom shock absorbers. The quad fits 2 drivers on its supple leather seats, which are upholstered in the same material as Hermes bags. Engler makes the seat customer-specific. It has 2 touchscreens, one for vehicle telematics and the other for the Apple CarPlay-enabled infotainment system. Engler designed the V12 without any pedals and put all vehicle controls on the steering column. Its height-adjustable windshield works in sync with the active aerodynamic features hidden in the bodywork. There are also no seat belts, however. If you have an accident, being thrown off the vehicle may be safer than remaining on the ATV since there is no bodywork between you and the open air. Engler Automotive produces only 10 cars a year, but plans to increase that number by introducing this quartet. The company is currently testing the V12 on the track before hitting public streets to test it in traffic.